Hello everyone, so if you want to install APK file on your Android phone, so here's how to do that. Follow the simple steps. First of all, we are to give the necessary permissions because usually the installation of such files is blocked on the Android phones. Let's open up our settings. Let's scroll down right to our privacy protection tab. After that, locate your special permissions tab, and now let's choose install unknown apps. After that, choose an application which you are going to be using for this operation. In my case, it's going to be a Google Chrome. You may give this permission to your files or to any other browser which you are using. So let's give the permission by tapping on the switch. Now let's read this danger disclaimer, right? That this is a high sensitive permission, and if you grant it, your personal private information might be leaked. So let's press OK, that we're aware of all risks, and let's keep on. So as the next step, we need to choose the website where we are going to be downloading our content, because this content is, as I already said, highly sensitive, and it may really contain some malware. So I'm going to be using APK Mirror website. It's a free website with a lot of great APKs, and most importantly, it's moderated, so most likely it's clean. So let's use APK Mirror. However, be always careful and be always cautious about this because, as I already said, this is a really highly sensitive operation. So now choose any APK. For example, I'm going to be using this APK. Why not? If you see any advertisements, once again, don't worry. All free websites have them. They need to sustain themselves as well. So now let's scroll down to available downloads and let's choose the version which we want to download. Now let's give it a couple seconds to be downloaded. There we are, the load APK. I believe the downloaded should have started. Yes, exactly. Let's press download anyway. And let's give it some time to be downloaded. There we are. Now let's press open. And as you see, the app is getting installed. So let's press install. Give it a couple seconds to be installed once again. There we are, the app is installed. Press done. And now you can find this app on your home screen or on your app screen if you use it. And you may use this app as any other app on your phone. So basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.